Chapter 76. Learning is from mistakes with Benny Monk. Remember, spelling is not the same as its pronunciation. 串法唔等於讀音, so we have to be careful. And we have to learn the IPA symbols. 一定要學國際音標. Homophones. Okay, 同音異字. Words have same sounds, but they are different in meanings and spellings. 有同一樣嘅發音，但係意思上同串法係唔同的。Okay. Here's a quiz. Okay. I need something to make some bread. The flour, okay, father, and the flour, 麵粉. Okay, they have the same IPA symbols. But according to the meaning, okay, only the flour, 麵粉, goes with some bread, 做麵包. So obviously, B is correct. Thank you, Professor South. Effective listening is all about following the context and logical flow. 想問下你邏輯思維，聆聽嘅必殺技。Professor South, I made some brilliant examples here, okay? Well, Professor South knows she has a pretty nose. 知道 nose, okay, nose, 鼻哥. So they have the same sounds, IPA symbols. Nose, nose, okay? Kirk Barrow, you're proud of your decent daughters. Okay, your, okay, 你係為驕傲 your decent daughters. Your, the same IPA symbols. Okay, 正義女兒. I can hear you from here. Okay, 聽到喺呢度，聽到你聲音。Don't break the brake. 唔好整爛剎車掣。Brake. The car is over there. 佢哋嘅車喺嗰度。Okay, Professor South. Benny, say yes to your YouTube channel. Okay, I'll remember that and aim higher. Thank you so much. 更進一步會。Kurt is the only one who won the public speaking competition. 唯一的 the only one who won. Okay, 取勝，贏咗呢個演講大賽。Can you see the sea from here? 你睇唔睇到呢個海喺呢邊？ Sea. Okay. I knew it was a new car. Okay, new. Okay, 知道新的 new. Okay. I know I'm no good to her. 我知道我唔適合佢。Hi, give me a high five. Okay. Hi. Okay, high five. So, end of chapter 76, and more examples of homophones and homonyms are coming up in chapter 77. Don't miss out.